Welcome to this tutorial video. In order to make your use of design tools more efficient and convenient, you can set your preferences according to your usage habits. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to set your preferences. Let's try it together. Part 1. Set Preferences. Move the mouse over your avatar in the upper right and select Preferences. In the Preferences pop-up, you can make some general settings. Set the language and units to match your viewing habits. The unit is set to millimeters by default. You can change it to fractional inches. The appearance and background color can also be modified according to your preferred style. There are also some general settings for mouse operation, text layout, autosave, etc. After the general settings, you can switch between different toolbars on the left to set individual preferences for rendering, floor plan, and interior finish. Click the little eye icon next to each setting to view the effect. It is convenient for you to understand. When the settings are complete, click Close to save the settings. Part 2. Set shortcuts and mouse. Select the shortcuts and mouse. First, set the shortcuts. You can choose the corresponding tools and templates at the top. In order to continue users' operating habits of using CAD and SU shortcuts, there are 3 templates to choose from: Default Template, CAD Template, and SU Template. There is keyword search function above to find the shortcuts to be found more quickly and conveniently. You can edit and modify the shortcuts yourself based on your usage habits. If there is a duplicate with the existing shortcuts, the corresponding prompt will appear to avoid setting duplicate shortcuts. You can change it to other shortcuts and the prompt will disappear. After the settings are completed, click to save. Switch to the mouse settings page. You can set the mouse for viewing and selecting models according to your own preferences. After the settings are completed, click to save. When you need to restore the default shortcuts or mouse, click the lower left corner to restore the default shortcut or mouse. In the next video, we will continue to learn how to upload and draw a floor plan. See you soon. That's all. Thanks for watching.